Have you ever heard about the court case that took place, Flat Earth versus Globe Earth, in 2019? There were two fellas that went to court for a civil case for some money. It was about like $10,000. This is the docket ticket for the court case. And it was Globe Earth versus Flat Earth. And whoever won the case would win the money. Well, after the case, which wasn't very long, both of the gentlemen showed all of their evidence. And who do you think won the court case? Who would you think won? You would imagine Globe wins, right? Because science tells us we live on a globe. And everyone tells us we live on a globe. I mean, that's what we were taught. So wouldn't Globe win in court? That's what I would think. But that's not what happened at all. Actually, Globe lost and Flat Earth won because the judge said there was zero evidence to prove that the globe was a thing. And the Flat Earth actually won the case. Now, the Globe guy got very mad. And this is a true story. So the Globe guy got pissed off about it and he went back to court. And they tried this case again. You'll never guess what happened. Oh, maybe you will. Globe lost again for the second time. So my question is, if you can take this to court and court can tell you that Globe is BS and Flat Earth wins, then how are we not putting two and two together here? Because you can put people away for murder for life in court. Doesn't make any sense, does it? I don't think it makes any sense. What I do think makes sense, though, is that there are about 1,000 and more proofs that the Earth is not a spinning ball of water. And you don't even have to just use your common sense. I mean, you can actually look up the proofs because there are a lot of them. But it's pretty much common sense to me that you can't put water on a ball. Here's our ball. Nice little apple, right? Can you put water on this? I don't think so. How does water stick to a ball? It's crazy. I mean, it's crazy. How does that work? So the Earth is within the Earth's atmosphere, and so is the ball. So how does that work? I know how. It's because we don't live on a spinning ball. It's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. And if you agree, you know what to do. Because we've been living in lies, my friends, and now it's time to learn the truth and understand the truth. And the truth is that we live on God's earth, and God's earth isn't a spinning ball of water, I can tell you that much. But again, this is for your entertainment.